All right, we're back. We just went through the biggest liquidation event we've ever seen ever in crypto. Look at these charts, bro. This is Hyperliquid on Binance, went all the way down to $21. Some other ones, Fartcoin went down to 17 cents. What was another one? Whiff was crazy. I watched this whole thing live, actually. I'm very, very grateful. But I'm very, very worried about some of my brothers and sisters out there. If you got liquidated bad, just take some time off, dude. Take some time off. There's more than crypto. Absolutely, there's more than crypto. You will make it back. Keep swimming, bro. Oh man, we set up these three HFT bots yesterday, and none of them really took positions because of the anti-liquidation or the anti-volatility stuff I put into pretty much all of my bots. Um, these ones here are the ones we were working on yesterday, which were kind of high frequency traders, but they haven't made many trades in the last 24 hours simply because there was so much volatility, so many liquidations. And we have a trigger of 250K, 250,000 liquidations. So those were off well before this even happened. That being said, today I am going to keep pushing forward as an industry. I understand everybody is feeling poorly today, and my duty is to keep pushing forward, keep swimming no matter what, good, bad, or ugly. I love this industry. It is a rigged game. We know that. We know these exchanges are not on our side. We know that. We know that, dude. We know that. Speaking of that, this just went ahead and made an order. I haven't seen the lighter one go off very often, but these exchanges are on our side. We know that auto deleveraging is something that was interesting to a lot of people learned about here. The only person that won on this was Hyperliquid, to be honest. If we go look at Hyperliquid, we look at their vaults here. Crazy, because they're just liquidators. Remember that. So we've looked into this in the past. You can see they've been running up bag 80 million. This is their Hyperliquid liquidity provider, but really they just take over people's liquidations. So you can see they made $42 million overnight, probably in an hour, which is crazy. Yeah, dude, it kind of goes to show if the only one that's winning is the exchange. Again, they're not really on our side. We know that things are dangerous. Leverage is very, very dangerous. All we can do is build. All we can do is build, bro. All we can do is build. So let's go ahead here and just keep building. So what I want to do here is I want to look at a couple of these here. First off, I want to see my lighter bot is going crazy right now. It's posting orders. And then also I'm getting this error here on my Okay, so let's say that first. Let's say on this bot here at direction strength 15 minutes. I get this error here. Please make sure that we are using the correct vault. You know, on my ENV, I have the keys for three different ones actually, and we're using account 2 on this one. So I'm using Cloud Code here. Interesting. Order loop ended, not filled. Okay, and that's another bug here on lighter. It quit on me. Don't you quit on me now. So let's also go put that one in there. Lighter OFI advanced no licks. At lighter OFI advanced no licks. You can also see that this order loop quit on me. It should never quit. It should keep trying to get in. Okay, I only accepts 3 parameters, but we're passing in 4. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, thank you. Holy moly, show my key on screen and I will be going crazy. What's up, Wishy? What up, Jimmy? What up, Migueli? What up, Ricky? What up, Mohi? Okay, let's get it. Okay, it says it fixed it, so we'll see how it goes. Ironically, these haven't made trades all day, but now they're making trades. Just, I guess it's simmered down a bit now. It's simmered down a bit now. Simmer down, simmer down. I'm just sipping coffee, minding my business. Okay, I see the problem, Dr. Daydog. The bot is placing orders, but only got a tiny partial fill. Okay. I can't even see lighter exchange. Are you guys able to get to lighter exchange? That's crazy. Okay, we restarted this one, so let's go ahead and try it out. I got this bot down here. I got 3 bots down here. 3 bots down here. And happy they were chilling. But I feel sad. I still feel sad, dude. I still feel sad. I feel sad because I know 30 million billion dollars was lost, and that's from people, human beings like you and I. Some funds too, of course. Okay, so you can see this one should work now. So let's go ahead and run that back. And then I actually got the same error. Got a very similar error here. I really think this comes down to the account thing, the account switcher. Remember, we have different accounts. You can see my EMV that they're different. The reason I think this is a problem is because my other direction strength extended WS no licks is working perfectly, but this one tagged here is not working perfectly. At direction strength, all right, let's get this, bro. Let's get it. And then also what I want to start doing, I'm going to use GPT-5 for something. I want to find one of my better ones. Better and better, wetter and wetter. Better and better, wetter and wetter. Okay, let's say extended OFI, advanced no licks. Extended OFI, advanced no licks. Copy all of this code here. And let's go to ChatGPT. And let's say, oh snap, we got another error, dude. Good thing these weren't working yesterday, or at least they were off. So take profit taken. Okay, that's good. That's good. Run compact. We ain't got time for compact now, buddy. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and start that over. I'm just gonna close this. Close all. Terminate. Because she's been doing that a lot in this last couple days. So Claude, dangerously skip permissions. Okay, we're gonna start with this error first because you can see I get this error of it exceeds whatever. Okay, let's go ahead here and say this is extended, or this is direction. At direction, strength, extended WebSocket, no licks. I get this error here. It's really weird because it seems like it's trying to put another order in. Okay, let's see what it's actually doing. So we can see, let's go to main account here, trade. It's in a long, and oh, it got out most of the position. That's why. Order history here. All these exchanges are biting the dust, bro. It looks like it must be trying to put a buy order in or something. Yeah, it is. It's trying to put a buy order in, but you can see the screenshot that it is a already in a long position. So it's trying to close the position with a buy when it's already in a buy. Okay, let's send that in there. And then I want to see what's going on with order history here. Limit 749 right now. Reduce only. 746. Okay, you can see here. You can see here that it is essentially, I think it closed a short position and then it accidentally flipped long. So it thinks it needs to still close the long, but I think we should just check to make sure. Okay, so that's a little bit of an error there. And then we got this error too, so I'll get that one next. Honestly, bro, I'm gonna get back to it, bro, because this is crazy. Go on one at a time. Yeah, right. Who are you, my guy? Speed up. Speed up. Stop playing. Stop playing, dude. Let's say Claude code. Claude, danger. No, 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 no. Stop playing, dude. Lock in. Lock in. Wake up and smell the lock inness, dude. Okay, actually, I can just run it there. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. Okay, copy. And then here, we got some errors on this one. Sheesh. Extended. Cabron, it's direction. Direction, strength. I'm still getting this error here, and I'm pretty sure it has to do with the account thing, what account it's on, simply because the original file works, and that's using account 1. This is the original file. So I think it has something to do when I switch to account 2. Direction, strength, no licks here. This is the original file, but the first file I sent you is the one that we have the error on. Please fix it. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Compacting conversation, bro. What is going on these days? You can see here I have an OFI strategy that is doing pretty well, but I want you to come up with your absolute best. Think about this. Your absolute best 5 OFI based strategies after you analyze and explain this one to me. Give me your absolute 5 best that I can test to squeeze more alpha out the market, cabron. Thank you. All right, let's use GPT-5 thinking here. Let's make sure that we're really thinking today because she's compacting the convo. Crazy girl. Lighter exchange. Okay. I'm able to get in there now. Nice. I'm in a position, bloody. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna whip open 2 of them because this is time to build, bro. It's time to build. Yo, I don't want to like it just sucks. It sucks. Like I know people got smoked yesterday. I know people got smoked and we've all been there. Um you should see how much open interest. Okay, for the people that survived. Like, okay, I want to be nice to the people that got smoked, but for the people that survived, I understand that everybody was farming perp dexes, and that's why there was such a big liquidation, in my opinion. Everybody was trying to farm perp dexes. Okay. Too much leverage. I get it. But if 20 to 40 billion was just taken out of the market and you still have capital, well, there's much less competition on these perp dexes. That's the only silver lining. Stay safe. Make sure to have volatility controls implemented. And if you're down bad, like just keep swimming, please. I know it's hard. Just try to bro, I'm not good at this motivational speech stuff. Just step on the gas, B. We all get smoked. Okay, let's say CD up into here. Copy path. CD up in there. And then let's say conda activate hibachi. I actually like that name. Wonder how they went. Okay. And then we're going to say Claude dangerously skip permissions. Okay. Okay, so invalid start key. Let's see here. I've completed both fixes that were requested. Probably was bot was using is long. Okay, let's go ahead and see if it works now. This one, by the way, works again. So it closed in double profit, 2 profits. One was a weird profit, but they both were profit. Okay, sick. I don't care. I don't care, dude. I don't care. I'm just stepping on the gas. All it for me, all it's about is thousands of trades. If your bots can't make it through thousands of trades for tens of years, to be honest, I got this error again. Same bot here. At direction, strength. Go ahead and check out this bot because I'm also using account 2 and this should help you out. Okay, so let's go ahead and see where else I was using account 2 at. Extended no licks. Okay, OFI no licks, 15 minutes. At extended, at extended, OFI advanced 15 minutes. See, this one's using account 2 correctly, so maybe you can use it to fix this problem. Okay, and now I'm going to use this down here. Say copy. All right, so you can see this bot is running, but I'm actually in a position right now. So it should, at the start, it should always look at my P&L and my take profit and stop loss. So every time it runs, it'll be able to pick up on a position that might be floating. But you can see here, it's not actually looking at those positions. Another error is below. It shows invalid equity, aborting trade. It says get account equity is not real or something. So please fix that as well. Okay, so you can see, well, you can't see it, but I'll copy and paste it up here. And then we got to figure out what code this was. I think it was lighter, 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 lighter OFI at lighter OFI, advanced no licks. Okay, so we got two Claudias up in here now. Okay, she's doing her thug thizzle up there, top right, top left. This one here. Perfect. I fixed the issue, Dr. Day Dog. The problem was the extended SDK internally reads OS environment. Okay, so let's run this back. See if we can get this one working again. Now I see the issue. The get account info returns the first account from data accounts, which has the collateral field. Okay, great. You figured it out. Perfect, perfect, perfect. AVAX, what's up, bro? 777. Do everything in love. Mohammed, be strong and courageous. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Make each day your masterpiece. Let's get it, fam. All right, I think I'm about to cheat here a little bit. Let's go to 5, 7, 15 minutes. This one looks like it's Gucci now. Let's go ahead and run it. Got it down here on the bottom right. Blood, this is not fully closed. It said it was going to fully close it, but it did not close it. If it put an order in, it didn't go through. Matter of fact, I don't even see the order in there. So make sure that it is the opposite order and it's sitting on the bid or the ask. If it's closing, then it's sitting on the ask. I mean, if it's closing a long, then it's sitting on the ask. If it's closing a short, it's sitting on the bid. Something happened here. And remember, it should loop until it's fully closed. So you need to check to see if the position's actually closed or not. I don't know if I put this debug stuff in there. I know I put something in there, but here you go again. Okay, every day, dude. AVAX, let's go. Okay, this should be fine now, but I need to cheat a little bit and make sure it's fine. 5, 7, 15 minutes. So this is 5, 7, 15 minutes. Okay. Account 2, good. Let's make this liquidation size much, much bigger. And then see if these orders go through. Excuse me. You can see the bots. I have them down here on my screen because we got a lot on the screen today. We got a lot on the screen every day, dude. We step on the gas every single day. Much love to you. 777. Trading allowed. Okay. Checking for existing positions. Putting the test orders in. Okay, good. But I get this error. I still get this error, and you can see the other accounts that I use account 2 for. The other bots I use account 2 for, like the one I just sent you, works perfectly on account 2. So just check whatever is there to see how to fix this. Thank you. Okay, so it says fix closing position. Let's go ahead and see if that works. Because I am in a position here. It says position found. Okay, we'll loop and close forever. First closed loop. Canceling all orders before placing a new one. Okay. I don't see the orders. Okay. I see it canceled actually. Canceled due to crossing the order book. Make sure if these are bids, they're actually on the bid here. You can see that they're all getting canceled. Nah, it actually eventually worked. So that's good they got canceled. That's good. I'm just going to keep it how it is. So it eventually closed the position, and now it's going into the OFI information. My dog geeking right now. She laying down. She cute AF. So it's going into the OFI calculation here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Next time it runs, you'll see exactly what it do. So, okay, great. So let's go ahead and keep this quad code active because we may need it in a second. Yeah. Okay, so what's going on here? This one's working now. Good. No existing positions. Okay. So we got lighter working on the bot. Fam, that is big. That's big time. That's big time, bro. Big time, bro. Big time. So lighter. I'm curious to see how lighter plays out. I think these point valuations are about to get absolutely traumatized, unfortunately. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm happy we got the lighter going because the lighter is slick. All right, so we got these three bots running, but the thing I wanted to work on now that I got these going is this. I want to read this. I love this. I read through your bot and it's already stacked. Here's a quick audit. Then my 5 highest conviction OFI strategies. You can bolt on and A/B test. Okay. You think I'm slick like that? You think I'm slick Rick with it like that, dog? Come on. I don't know what you're saying. A/B. Okay. Quick audit of your current bot. What's great plus what I'd tighten up. Okay. What's strong? Multi-level OFI with harmonic weights. Nice. Oh, fudge. I gotta switch this back now. See if that works. Perfect. Now the file should work. Okay. Missing the public key variable. Let's see if that works. We're watching it right down here. Bot, live bot right there. There's been errors with it all morning. Timer started. Test orders in. Good. Timer started. Beautiful. So there should be test orders here on account 2. Let's go see if that's true, dude. Account 2 here. Yeah, we got 2 test orders in. We're Gucci. Let's get it. Okay, it's fixed. Nice job, buddy. You heard that click? Click, clap. Click, clap. Click, clap. Click, clap. Click, clap. Test complete. Click, clap. Fixed it. Click, clap. Okay, now I'm going to switch this back to 250 racks because this saved me. Because 250,000 bots off. Okay, so quick audit of your current bot. What's strong? Multi-level OFI with harmonic weights. Nice. Velocity, acceleration, Z-score, gating. Gang, gang. 5-minute best signal and window selector. Prevents over trading. Maker only quoting with frequent reprices. Q advantage. Liquidation kill switch. Smart. NTP stop loss. Continue regardless. Operational. Operationally safe. Where you're leaving edge on the table. OFI definition. Use some raw bid ask size differences. Canonical OFI. Cont. All. Uses changes at the best prices. Conditional on price moves. At depth, weight by distance and ticks, not just level 1 level. Normalization, scale OFI by A, total depth in range, and or B, recent tick vol to make thresholds regime robust. Micro price, not used. Micro price skews, depth weighted mid. Improve your short horizon direction. Lead lag. You read Binance depth, but don't explicitly model lead time versus extended. Calibrate the milliseconds that Binance leads extended and trade into that gap. My best 5 OFI strategies for you to test. This calibrated OFI impact, price prediction OFI. Short horizon mid-price change is approximately linear in OFI. Estimate blank intraday and only trade when predicted price beats fees plus slip. Why is she so hip, dude? Slippage? If that's slippage, dog. Signal compute depth aware OFI over K levels using changes and distance weights. Regress rolling. Okay. 100 to 500 milliseconds on your venue. Tune per liquidity. Predict move. Entry exit. Go long if all in included. Take your fallback. Why it wins. Use continuous calibration. So threshold self-adjusts across regimes. Implementation tweaks. Replace your harmonic weights with exponential by tick distance. Add rolling OLS or ridge for on a ring buffer of OFI. Micro price push OFI. Spread aware. Thesis. When the micro price depth weighted mid leans hard to one side and OFI agrees next tick direction has a high hit rate, especially when spread equals 1 to 2 tickies. Trade only when spreads under 2 ticks. All right, out of all of these above, what is your number one thing to implement that is going to have the biggest gain of edge? Just tell me that, and then I'll go ahead and build it. Dun, dun, dun. Do the Binance extended lead lag OFI predictor. I don't like that one. I don't like that one because our extended data is not too good. So give me your best idea based off of our Binance data we have. Okay, so I need to kill this, by the way. I need to kill it. I think I already did, actually. Let me make sure I've saved it. 250 rocks. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, micro push, spread aware. Okay, so what I want you to do, shorty, is this. Oh, and by the way, I'm entering a position here on lighter. I don't know which way, but it doesn't matter. Again, it's over thousands of trades. This is HFT Moon Dev, okay? I'm doing HFT now. They're gonna roast me, but I don't care. I'm not worried about what they say. The only man I'm listening to is this one right here. It's the only man I'm listening to, and he's dead. This is weird, dude. Okay, before we go there, well, we got it over here actually, so let's do that. Got this really weird functionality here where it entered a position and then it said position closed, even though you can see the flow of all the files. It's not closed. It should be monitoring the P&L. Matter of fact, it shouldn't be in a cooldown. I don't know why it thinks it's closed either. Okay, go ahead and fix that. Thank you. Remember, it should be checking the take profit and stop loss immediately every time it runs. Every loop. It's always got to be checking that, fam. Bam. Okay, let's go ahead and let her do her thought bezel while we go ahead over here and say, hey. We're going to say, hey, we got two bots here. We want you to build two bots based off of extended OFI no licks. Extended OFI advanced. All right, so I gave you a brief at the top of what to build. Now I want you to go ahead and build that for both of these files. So duplicate both of these files and build in the new type of OFI for each of them. One is we trade anytime, and the other is only when there's no licks. So just build both those files. The exact same with the new math and implementation I explained above. But keep the whole differences between the two. One will only trade if there's less than X amount of licks, and then the other will trade all the time. Make two new files, name them similar. All right, so dun, 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 dun. I also get this. I haven't run what you updated before, but the got account equity of 0 is super weird. It should never show that when I have equity in their account. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and run that back. Matter of fact, anyways. Da, 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 da. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'll create two files with the micro price push OFI implementation. Let me build those systematically. Okay, so how are we gonna run this? I'm gonna do account 3 here. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. And we're gonna use account 3 here. So just like we have working on, for example, this bot here, we should be able to pick account 1, 2, or 3. We're gonna have one on account 3, and the other will be on account 2. So 2 and 3, you pick. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, sick, dude. So see how that does. Bum 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 bum. Yo, we got the TradeBot challenge on Tuesday, by the way. TradeBot challenge. The whole goal is to automate your trading in 3 hours. There's a link in the description. Actually, there's not, but I will put it in the description right now. And there's only 30 tickets available, and a lot of those have already sold. So if you want in, definitely jump in. I'm going to show you step by step how to automate your trading in 3 hours. October 14th at 10 a.m. Be there, Eastern time. And I'm going to show you my AI. I'm going to show you how to set up bots. I'm going to show you how to set up any strategy that you have. I'm going to show you how to backtest. I'm going to show you everything you need in order to automate your trading in 3 hours, dude. There's going to be a link in the description in about 10 seconds. Nah, like 25. 25 seconds. 25 seconds. 25 seconds. It's tradebotchallenge.com. Tradebotchallenge.com. Okay, sick. So it's in the description now, so feel free to join. Let's see what's going on with Zcash. Because Zcash seemed to have make it out just fine. Holy moly. Damn. It's did a 5x since October. Uptober, dude, for Zcash. Oh my God, I was watching Trump last night. This went to 0. This went to 170. Oh, it's not funny. It's not funny, bro. It's not funny. Okay, let's see if she's built that yet. She's still working. Good. Frolicking. Extended microprice OFI, no licks. Okay. Okay, great. So here we go. We got 2 new bots here. So perfect, Dr. Data Dog. I've successfully created both the micro price push OFI trading bot files. So extended micro price OFI account 2, always trading. And then we have extended micro price OFI no licks. Account 3 only trades when liquidations are under 250 racks. Key features Okay, sick, dude. I want to go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these down nicely because that's what you gotta do, dude. Gotta track everything. Track everything. Track everything, dude. Track everything. Insert new rows above. Insert 6 above. It's 10:11 today. It's a beautiful day. This one's no licks here. I'm gonna say this one's on deck. On deck. This one here is account 2. No, we're gonna make it account 3. So let's go to extended microprice OFI no licks. Extended microprice OFI. This one. We're gonna actually set that to account 3 here. And then I'm gonna try to run it copy path. Say new here. Conda, activate, hibachi, CD up into that hoe. And then Python, run it. Okay, it should be Gucci. I'm gonna watch it for a bit here. It looks like it's running. 0 signals so far. We the best. You the best. You the best. Dun dun. Bum 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 bum. You the best. We the best. You the best. Start vol. Okay, good. We got all this set up. Okay. We did get this error here. So maybe we put in a double order or something. I'm not sure. Then it closes it automatically. The hell? Seems like a silly thing here. Also, you can see if it's trying to close the position, it's got a loop like the other one does, or else it'll never close the actual position. Also, during the cooldown, it should be checking the P&L close to take profit stop loss as well, because else it's gonna get smoked, you know? All right. The boy's still here. He's still here. You think I'm ever gonna quit? No way. No way, Jose. Also looks like it might be putting in an order in the same way that the position's already in. That's where I run into this error again too. You're right, Dr. Data Dog. Dun-dun. Yo, Naf, what's up, bro? 777, fam. Looks like you still might be playing in the same side we're in. Okay, here we go. Let's run it back. Error response. Hey, blood, you got so many different bots here you could look at to see why this error is happening. Make sure you're putting the order in on the right side too. This is a good example, but the bug is happening here. Extended micro price. Liquidations coming through. You're right, Dr. Daydog. Looking at the working bond extended OFI, I can see the limit orders do the opposite side to close, not market orders. Da, 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 da. You gotta compact it right now, fam. Maybe because this GitHub getting too big. It's a big GitHub. Okay, let's try it again. Same error, dude. Maybe it has something to do with it. I'm using account 3 here. Make sure you're using the right keys, but it looks like the new order cost exists, the balance. So it looks like you're trying to put an order in on the same side we already have. We have a long in, and the orders that you're trying to put in, shit, it must be another long. I don't know. No, it says sell. I can confirm that. Oh, it's this weird extended thing again. Damn it. Okay, it closed. Extended is so weird like that, dude. They got a weird quirk in it. Okay, I'm just gonna back out. Let's make sure that this is smaller here. 85. Let's say 80, just in case it goes against us. Oh, it's trying to put an order in here. Let's close that for now. All right, now I'm gonna let it ride. Put it at 80% of capital because extended essentially, if the position goes against you on extended and it goes to negative, it makes it impossible to close a position, which is super whack. I've told them about it, but they're just like, "F you, Munda." I'm like, "All right, cool. If you believe it's working well, that's all good, bro." But I tried to help you. I tried to help you, extended. I tried. I tried. They don't care though. They do not care. They do not care. Give me some donuts right now. I swear to God. Oh, Leonardo, what up? Taker fallback. See, we don't want to ever have a taker order in there. Make sure that neither of these bots ever use taker orders. Always maker, never ever taker. Always be watching the bid and ask. If you're buying, sit on the bid. Replace the order if it changes. You have the WebSockets in there. You have the other examples. Always makers, never takers. If you ever taker, if there's any takers in either of these bots, take them out. We don't want them. But maker only, fam. Come on. Make her only. Make her only, fans. All right, so do we get another shock down is my question, because this type of chart is disgusting and it shows so much weakness. So I'm just wondering if this leads to another, maybe, I don't know. I don't know, but we'll be here. We'll be locked. We'll be locked, bro. We'll be locked. Up or down, sideways, whatever, I don't care. You saw the fallout last night, which was crazy, and that says like, okay, well, we don't have very much liquidity in the market. That's all. So that's a little, I'm still watching here. Maker, maker, maker. Okay, skew reversal. Okay, and then talk to me about this skew reversal, fam. So you could hear her going crazy over here. Says it's putting in, okay, it's putting in orders to close the position. It's in a short 50. Okay, now it's closed. Perfect. So let's see realized P&L here. Yeah, they got me with the fees, 6 cents. 6 cents of fees. I don't want any fees. I want 0 fees. Also, another thing that I see that's happening here is that it's kind of opening and then closing right away. So what I want to do is for these two, after it's confirmed it's opened a position, I want it to sleep for X seconds. And we'll put that at the top in the variable section. So sleep after entry will be right now 120 seconds. So this will guarantee it stays in a position for 2 minutes before it ever triggers any type of close. It'll essentially be a blind position for 2 minutes because it won't be monitoring P&L loss, nothing. It's just going to sit there for 2 minutes because I see that we have a close here that's based off of math. And I keep seeing the skew reversal pop up. And that's fine. We just want to make sure that it sits in the position for a little bit. Do I do that? Do I do that? Nah, I don't do that. I don't do that. I let it ride. I let it ride. I don't do that. I let it ride. Time to banana. All right. So we're no takers ever, which is good. So I'm gonna say this one's on deck here. So let's move that to the on deck pile. Since the other ones didn't trade too much, continuing to run yesterday's 3 as there was just as yesterday there were licks all day. So no trades. Perfect. Okay, so everything looks like it's Gucci. You can hear some trades going through on extended. Let me close that. Yo, make sure to jump into this, dude. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube. And that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running, and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3 hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3 hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour one, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour two, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour three, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Has our Discord community, frequently asked questions, all the questions you may have, my actual RBI system, a ton of ideas that you can look at and come up with your own ideas, a book list here. There's unlimited things to test here on this roadmap, and it's a short, concise way to learn this yourself. But in this TradeBot challenge, it's going to be a 3 hour intensive. This is going to be extremely intense. There's going to be a lot of things to learn. You're going to learn exactly how to automate your trading, even if you've never coded before, and it's just going to be 3 hours. So make sure if you are interested, like I said, we're only going to allow 30 people into this TradeBot challenge, and you do get the bonuses at the end of the challenge. You can go ahead and click this button down here, put your name and email address in. There is a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked, because I know you probably found me on YouTube, but hey, this is the internet, so I want you to feel super safe. Every single day I'm live on YouTube, so you can always find me, but there's a 90-day money back guarantee, because what I'm really looking for are other data dogs like myself that are analytical, persistent, confident, curious, dedicated to the game, and then we can all chase this goal together. We have a Discord area that's members only for people that are inside of the challenge. The challenge, I'm going to teach you absolutely everything you need to know so you can then go ahead and attack this industry by yourself or with us inside the Discord. Go ahead and read through what people have said about my trainings in the past. This is going to be a 1 day only thing. It is this coming Tuesday. And like I said, there's only going to be 30 people allowed in this private Zoom call. And it's going to be probably the most intense 3 hours. Everything you will need to know in order to automate your trading step by step, even if you've never coded before. Like I said, I'm going to show you my whole AI stack as well, so you'll know exactly how I use AI to build everything for me. It helps me research, and it has just made this process so much easier. So make sure to jump in if you want to be one of the 30 people that attends this live session, which is 3 hours this coming Tuesday. And remember, there's a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. The only risk you're going to take today is to decide not to join this challenge. Don't take that risk. Learn everything I know so you can at least be educated next time you go to those charts. There is a better way. You don't have to sit here and try to guess up or down. We have robots driving us now. These Teslas are driving us. Why are we using our hands in order to trade? It's crazy. It's like that person that's still riding a horse to work. So at least come learn everything I know in this 3 hours. Know there's 100% money back guarantee. And the only risk you will take is if you leave this page right now and you don't sign up for the TradeBot challenge, because then you're just going to go back to these charts and probably get liquidated like these guys. It's the sad truth. Most traders lose due to their emotions. Their emotions and them just being a human. You can't stare at these charts all day. You get tired. You have things to do. And that's normal. This is a casino. Try to be the casino operator by looking at data and finding anomalies like Jim Simons did. It's the ultimate prize. It is a very, very extreme industry. As you know, trading is very player versus player. But most people are trading by hand with emotions. So that's our opportunity. Learn how to automate your trading here on Tuesday. I'll see you there. If you get in before the 30 tickets are sold, I'll see you inside. And don't forget, if you want to grab a VIP membership, you get all of the training, you get everything saved, you get all of the recordings here. You can see you get all of the recordings for the full event, and you get the roadmap. You can read everything you get in VIP if you want that. But again, there's only going to be 30 spots available, so jump in while you can. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube. And that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running, and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3-hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3-hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour 1, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour 2, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour 3, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Dang, so okay, we're back. This looks like it's doing the same thing again, which is super weird. So this is on extended OFI. Order history here. This is on extended micro price OFI. We got to make sure that we cancel orders in between on closes because I think we must have flipped long here. I don't know, but it looks like we are putting in buys when we already have a buy position. So either it flipped long or something happened. But in this case, the easy solution is in between trades, look at the position, see if it's long or short, and what's going on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and screenshot here. At least it's broken in a positive P&L, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Can you live 1,000 days? Can you live 1,000 days in crypto is the question. That's the scary part, bro. All right, so we got these three bots running down here, and we're trying to work on this fourth one. It's putting in orders, but it's over ordering, or it's flipping the positions essentially. It's doing a flip flop, with what? Wow. Flip flop with what? Wow. Flip flop with what? Wow. My final act I got on the whiteboard. I got 5 terabytes for you, bro. Then I'm ghost. 5 more terabytes and I'm ghost. Flip flop. Okay, so she said she fixed it here. Existing long position found. Skew reversal. Okay, closing maker. Deferred tick size. Okay. It's putting in the orders. Okay. It's cancel. Let's see why they're canceled. Order history. Getting out of the position, and now it looks like it's canceling the order over and over again really fast. Remember, it should only cancel the order if the price change. It should be looking at the WebSocket, and if it's trying to get out of a long, then it should be putting the ask on. And if it's trying to get out of a short, it should be putting the bid on. Maker only, and only change or cancel the order if the price change. You know, we're looking at the WebSocket all the time, yes. Looking at the extended WebSocket for this, thank you. Okay, this one's working fine, which is good. Extended no licks. So we got four bots. Well, 3.5. Let's say 3.5 because this one's acting bad today. She's acting bad today. That's okay though. We're gonna just keep pushing every day. That's all you can do, dude. That's all you can do. Just keep pushing. Okay, good, good, good. It's working now. Okay, great. So I want to keep looking through some of this stuff. Oh, that's what I want to do. Let's do that. Okay, you heard that position close. Perfect. Okay, we're out of there. We're out of there. That's what I want to do, dude. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's exactly what I want to do. Perfect. Wait a minute. I think I found a bug. Or no. Oh no, it's Gucci. Let's do that. Let's add that. For both of these extended micro prices, what's happening a lot of times is it's getting into a position and then closing it immediately. So let's go ahead and add a parameter at the top that essentially allows us to adjust the upon opening hold time. And we'll put it at 120 seconds for now. No, I found the bug. I found the bug actually. So I'm gonna say cancel that. And this will allow us to say, okay, after we enter, we're gonna sleep for 20 seconds. Now you have to make sure that the position is actually filled and cancel any orders after it's filled. Speaking of canceling any orders, on upon closing of a position, you can see the printout below, but essentially what happened here is it says it fully closed the position, but you can see it put a bunch of orders in prior. And we've been looking at this like reversal bug that we have where we'll close the position on a short and then we'll end up in a long. And I found the reason for that. So this is a separate point from above, but this point is very crucial as well. When we before we print out fully closed position verified, make sure that we cancel all orders for the symbol, because what's happening is we are filling a closed position and we still have that last order sitting on the books, and then it fills, and then we're in a reverse position. So glad I found that bug for us, big dog. Thanks for all your hard work. You're doing absolutely amazing. I love you, 777. Okay, so let's go ahead here. There's two things I'm asking her to do. Okay, one, two. Add minimum hold time. I like that. Wishy, what's up, bro? 777. Okay, let's get it. Cancel orders before confirming fully closed. Great. Okay, we're gonna let this ride now. It's on the count three. Micro price OFI. Extended micro price OFI. That's it. Let's see that new. Minimum hold time seconds. Dun 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 dun. Bum bum ba-dum bum bum bum. Dun 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 dun. Bum bum ba-dum bum bum bum. Bum bum ba-dum bum bum bum. All right, so this is Gucci now. Position filled, it said. Yeah, I'm in a position. And then it says holding for the minimum 120 seconds. Okay, I like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Extended micropress OFI. Let's make sure you get all the code. How about that? All right, I'm gonna show all the code here so you can just do whatever you want with it. This is what we built today, dude. I'm gonna scroll through. You have to pause, do whatever. You can see all the code, all the kitty code here, all the kitty code. A lot of liquidations here. Honestly, I should show you the one with liquidations because that one really is much, much safer. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You run this, you're gonna get smoked. You gotta build your own edge. Please read this real quick as I'm giving you this code. Please build your own edge. But hey, maybe this was helpful for you. Calculating OFI. We're using the micro price OFI now. Calculate OFI normalized, okay? Damn, this is a lot. We did a lot today. Calculate the micro price and the skew of the OFI. Let's go ahead and open it up. Say it later, dude. Look at this math. We got some math up in here. Deep or depth weighted micro price. Calculate OFI Z-score. We're using Z-score here. Wow. Signal quality. Okay. Assess signal quality and micro push. Okay. Oh, by the way, this closed the position. Let's see if it was profitable. It was. And there was no fees. Beautiful. Okay. That's why we did it, dude. No fees. No fees. That's why I added the 2 minutes, because it looks like it's a flip-flop Magog. A flip-flop Magog. So it's just flip-flopping all day long. Obviously needs some mad improvement, but you were here. You were locked, dude. So I might as well just show you everything that I built. You get all the code. I believe code's a great equalizer. I step on the gas, you step on the gas, we step on the gas every day. That's all. That's it. Just keep stepping on the gas. Keep swimming. Keep swimming, fam. Keep swimming. That's all you can do. Just look all the way to the right there. Okay, you can see it all. I believe you can be it all. You see it all. I believe you can be it all. Check if filled. Okay. See, we're checking if it's filled or not. Getting the bid and the ask. Using the WebSocket extended. So we have the true bid and ask. Okay, we worked on this for a while today. Good job, buddy. Me and you. We could do anything, dude. We could do anything. We can do anything. Keep locking in with me, dude. Every day. I'm here every single day. Here's all of the code. Just for the people that skipped to the end of the video, you won. You out-traded me. That's a good job, dude. Just skip to the end. Skip to the end of my videos and you get all the code. Plays limit orders, of course. No reduce only. I wish I had that, but I don't. I wish I had it, but I don't. All the code for you, 700 plus lines. That's quite nice. I hope I didn't show you my keys, but if I did, be kind. Be kind. Check in on your friends. It's time, dude. 777 to you. I'll see you the next time. Every day, 8 a.m. And if you're not already at the Trade by Challenge, I don't know where you are. You should be there, dude.